In this exercise, we'll add two real numbers. We're going to add -1/5 and 3/8. Now, the first thing I need to do is to get a common denominator for these two fractions. And 5 and 8 do not have any prime factors in common, so the least common denominator is going to be just the product of 5 times 8, or 40. So I want to write -1/5 with a denominator of 40, and I can do that by multiplying by 1 in the form of 8 over 8. And I also want to write 3/8 with a denominator of 40, and I can do that by multiplying by 1 in the form of 5 over 5. Now let's go ahead and do these two multiplications. 1 times 8 is 8. 5 times 8 is 40, which is the denominator we wanted. 3 times 5 is 15. And again, we have 40 for a denominator here. Now we're ready to add the fractions. And I can think of this as the number that I'm going to get in the numerator as -8 plus 15, which is 7. And we just keep the common denominator of 40. So this sum is 7 over 40.